Hello everyone, it's Jonah again with Spark Science. Today we're burning a marshmallow fireside candle, and we're also looking at Python. So this is the script in question we're going to be talking about, just to show the power of Python. It's a very simple script, a little bit of backstory. I'm switching over from Apple Music to Spotify, so I have to transfer all my music. And the best way I found out to transfer 1,000 songs was this script right here. So this first part is just telling the program, the compiler, what language we're using, and also the coding for any text files. We have our two import statements here. So we're importing a web browser library, which just gives us access to open up links, is what we're using it for. And this keyword as, we're just renaming the library. And we're also importing time, which we'll get into why we're importing time later. So we have this text file here, urls.txt. You can see it up here. It's filled with album names. I got those from a subdirectory folder on my computer from Apple Music. So that's saved. The open file is read. This instance of an open file is saved to a variable, and then we're calling that variable and reading all of the lines and saving it to this other variable, which is an array. We then close the file for proper file handling. This line actually does nothing. So then for this for loop is for each entry in the URLs. It creates the base link. So we're searching through Spotify for each one. We're appending the album name to it. And then these strip statements are just so that if there's any junk on the end, like new lines, we're removing those new lines. This was just for debugging to make sure we're printing the right link. This is the web browser call to open it. It selects the default web browser, which in my case is Safari. And then we have it sleep for 30 seconds, which is just the program waiting. If we were to have this just open them all up at the exact same time, two things would happen. Spotify would yell at me because I've had too many web players open at once, and I would get flagged for being a robot with this program. So if you have it sleep 30 seconds, you don't get flagged, and it allows me time to go through, find the album, and add it to my library. So to run this, the easiest way is in our terminal. We've already navigated to the directory in which the program lives. Then we just run. Here we're saying that we want to use Python 3 to be exact, and the program name. And it immediately opens up the first link. So then we'll go in, we'll find the song that we want, add to my library. And now we wait. It's a 30-second timer, but when you're just clicking one button, 30 seconds seems like a long time. An awkward long time. That was the second one, and I just closed it on accident. But it will keep opening them up every 30 seconds. And we are actually out of time, so I hope you have a great next week. And I suggest burning a candle. They smell nice.